guys, it's TheyMightBeBricks, and I'm with
Brickzar, and
we're going to check out this BB-8 Sphero from one of the Star Wars toys. This is one of the best, probably remote control toys that we're gonna have. And I got the Lego Pose X-Wing here because it has a tiny BB-8. That's a really awesome figure. So let's open this up and see what's in it. Okay, so I'll open this up.
Nice.
Ooh, that looks cool.
Such a nice box.
Yeah, I love these type of boxes.
How many drawers we gotta open?
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh.
Nice.
Like,
it's a lot smaller than the... What is this? A charging stand?
Yeah. I'll pull out the charging stand first. Wait, hold on. I wonder if I can take it off. Nah. Okay, there's BB-8 himself. Oh no, his head. No,
you broke it.
Get those little antennas and make sure we don't accidentally break. So I'll set BB-8 down right here. And then this charging stand out. This should come off. There we go.
Anything else in there?
Yeah, the wires.
Okay. You gotta hook it up.
And there we go.
Alrighty, let's put it together. So it looks like you'll have to go plug it in, because it doesn't come with a charger, it just comes with the USB charger thing. So
yeah.
We do go plug it in to...
Yeah.
Or do we gotta...
You can just bring your laptop down here and probably plug it in there.
Okay.
Well, this is awesome though.
Let's go and... We gotta install the app.
Mm-hmm.
This work for Android and...
iOS.
iOS, okay.
And then there's a wireless charger, that's pretty cool.
Neat.
Okay, right now I'm just waiting for the app to load. Good. Now it's connecting to BB-8.
Neat.
You excited, Chrissy?
You like it?
Wait, Chrissy.
You gotta make it move. See what she's... Make it go towards her.
Oh.
Does it do anything? I think you'll stop in front of her.
It's almost like it's a real thing, alive. Come on, let's go. Oh no!
Whoa. Uh-oh. So what else can it do?
Okay, there's also... I can send a message, or basically I just send a video and then it projects it on my phone.
I mean, oh, it doesn't actually project it in the air. Like
that'd be cool though. Now let's see what it does on its own. Now it's going to move on its own. Right now it's just testing. Well, let it hit the box. Watch what happens.
Oh, where you going?
Uh-oh. The different... Ugh. It's got the little bumping.
Stop it in front of her for a second.
That's what I'm trying to do.
His head disappeared.
Uh-oh. Ugh.
Whoa. Are you controlling it?